So whenever we add or subtract with like denominators, okay, we still do everything the same way. Before, this one's a little bit easier because we already have like denominators. We want to go with what our restrictions can and cannot be, okay, before we even start. So since they're the same, it's going to make things a little bit easier. To be honest with you, it's really up to you as far as how much or how little you do with these. The biggest mistake that gets made is still that students want to add the denominators. Do not add denominators, they stay the same. Okay, they start the same, they stay the same. Okay, so like on A, if I have 7 over 4x plus 3 over 4x, before I get started, before I do anything, I want to figure out what can x not be. So on example A, what can x not be? 0. Once I have that, now just go from there. I will have some students that will put everything under 1 and make it 7 plus 3, and we'll do that. That's completely all right. If you don't want to rewrite that, that's fine too. And if you just want to say 10 over 4x, that's fine as well. Now, we are not finished here. If I have two numbers that are divisible by a common number that can be simplified, it's no different. If I would have had 10 over 4, I would have simplified that. Just because I have an x doesn't mean that this is not going to be able to reduce. What can I reduce 10 over 4 into? 5 over 2. So then my final answer is just going to be 5 over 2x, and x still cannot be equal to 0. Subtraction is going to work the same way. On B, I have 2x over x plus 6 minus 5 over x plus 6 there. What can x... What can x not be? Negative 6. So then I have x plus 6. 2x minus 5. Can I simplify anything here? No. So then, x can't be equal to negative 6. And that's it. Okay, in some cases, you'll have some that basically it's just going to combine the top and that's it. Good question. So since denominators don't change, you shouldn't add restrictions to it.